Beneath that lies a rugged, flexible steel braid armor. This isn't a flimsy foil, it's a true metal shield, providing immense physical resistance to crushing, puncturing, and E7 determined chewing. Perfect for industrial settings, home theaters, outdoor runs, professional server rooms and critical infrastructure. Protect your gaming rig, your security system, your business network. Built with pure copper conductor sand high-quality RJ45 connectors, our armored cable delivers flawless high-speed data transfer, supporting gigabit, PoE and beyond. You get unwavering reliability and blazing fast speeds, wrapped in an impenetrable shell.